Hey guys, I'm showing you this Powerasia 12 pack recessed lightning 6 inch with night light. So this is 5 CCT 6 inch LED recessed lights dimmable with a 2700K, 3000K, 4000, 5000K, 6000K with a 15 watt 1200 lumen ultra thin recessed lightning. So this is the manual and you can see a good packing that will save the lights. So let me just open one or two just to show the size and everything, and then I will show you the final effect. So you can see this is a nice thin lights with this rubber like the moisture preventer, and then in the corner you can see the way to install. This is a jump box, so you can connect these lights through this jump box, and here are the selection, so you can select all the lights here. So all the different lights you can select from that corner, and this each light have a jump box that you can just connect with each other. So here are the wires, you can just connect it. So the quality looks really nice here. You can see that there is this small spring to hold it well. These are the moisture barrier thing here. So once you connect this jumper box, you have to connect this connector with each other. So once you connected this, you can be done. These are some connectors that comes with it in the box itself that you can connect. So this depends on how you can hold, like on the switch, like hold for the 10 seconds or 5 seconds to switch the lights or press again. So these are really a nice thing. This is the proper manual to describe everything, and the cutout size and stuff. So jump box can be connected, and with the switch light it all depends on how long you're pressing the key and how many times. So this is the light once installed. It's bright. I like the daylight, so I just put it on the 5000 6000K in the daylight